Have you ever just been minding your own business, playing with your dogs, or walking up and down the stairs when all of a sudden your knee declares war with the rest of your body? And it doesn't matter if you're 15 or 55, when you have knee pain, it can be really frustrating because we depend on our knees for almost everything. As a physical therapist, I work with a lot of people who are experiencing knee pain, and regardless of the reasons that they have knee pain, they all share one thing in common. They want it gone, and they want it gone as fast as possible. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use a massage gun like this to relieve pain in your knee quickly. Let's take a look. And today we're using this. It's not just any massage gun, this is the official Red Ryder Carbine Action 200 shot range model air rifle with a compass in the stock and the thing that tells time on the top. You'll shoot your eye out. Actually, it's just a really good massage gun made by my buddies Bob and Brad, who are also physical therapists, and I'll tell you more about that in a second. Okay, the very first tip for using a massage gun when you have achy knees is to realize that you're probably not going to be massaging directly over that painful area. The purpose of a massage gun like this is to provide a percussion force in a way to help improve blood flow, promote tissue healing, and muscle recovery, and to provide general pain relief through muscle relaxation. A massage gun like this is not going to be the magic bullet to cure arthritis or fix a torn or damaged meniscus or ligament. The point is, we set our expectations that using a massage gun to target the muscles surrounding the knee can really help to relieve strained and irritated tissues that may ultimately be causing some muscular imbalances, and that can definitely be a contribution to the knee pain that you're experiencing. So let's start by targeting some of those tight muscles with the massage gun. We know that for a lot of people, a strained muscle or an overworked muscle group could be a big part of the reason why you're experiencing knee pain in the first place. So go through the major muscle groups around the knee, starting with the quadriceps, and work into the adductors, and then the hamstrings behind the leg, and then go down to the calf muscles and work those along the length of those muscles with the massage gun for 2 to 3 minutes at a time. If you're still feeling sore in the quads or the hamstrings, then go back up to that area and repeat it again, and do this a couple of times a day. I like to think about where the muscle fibers are going and work along them lengthwise, but you can certainly work in circular motions or across the tissues in a perpendicular pattern. It just depends on what you're feeling. If there's tightness, soreness in an area, just work on that with the massage gun for a little while. And a bonus tip, be sure to keep drinking your water, stay hydrated, keep moving, because if you don't move, you die. I guess that's kind of dramatic. I'll leave it in there. Oh, and before we get into point number 2, I'm using the Bob and Brad massage guns here. You've heard me talk about these massage guns in the past. This is the regular massage gun. This is the mini massage gun. I love them both equally, like you'd love your children equally, but sometimes give special treatment to one because they help out more around the house. I'm kidding. We keep this one in our living room, and I bought this one for a family member this past Christmas because they're seriously some of the best massage guns that I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot on this channel, so a big thanks to Bob and Brad for sponsoring this video. And if you're curious to see the full review of these massage guns, you can take a look at that in the video up there, and I'll link to it in the comments section below. Okay, the second tip is this. We need to reinforce massage with the proper exercises and stretches. I don't know why this is massage. Is this sign language for massage? I don't know. I know it's like an endless cycle when your physical therapist tells you to do some exercises because your knee hurts, and then your knee starts to hurt because you're doing exercises. It's frustrating, I know. And personally, when a patient of mine has knee pain, I try to provide exercises that don't provoke the knee and cause extra pain. But let's say you have an extra little bit of arthritis in your knee, or maybe you're someone who has runner's knee and your knee feels like it's just locking up and painful anytime you start moving it. Using a massage gun before you start doing your exercises, not just after you do your exercises, that can be a great way to get through those movements with less pain. I know when I'm working out and I have a little extra knee pain, if I'm doing squats or lunges and movement corrections aren't taking care of it, I'll take a massage gun, hit the quads a little bit, hit the hamstrings, and generally 80% of the time the pain is decreased significantly. So well worth having this massage gun, especially if you get little bits of knee pain while you're working out and movement corrections aren't taking care of it. I also think that using a massage gun is a great way to get a passive warm-up to the muscles and to increase blood flow to the area before you even get up out of your chair. And you can even combine this massage gun and mobilization techniques while you're performing certain exercises if it helps to relieve some symptoms. For example, let's say your hamstring is strained, and every time you get up and you extend your knee, you start to feel that shooting pain in the back of your knee. Well, one great approach is to use a massage gun on the lightest setting to work through whatever range that you have, moving along the muscle as you extend your leg further and further in a pain-free range. This provides an active stretch to the hamstrings while providing a percussion massage with the massage gun, and you can repeat this same type of concept with the quads or other muscle groups as you perform knee extension or exercises like partial squats or lunges. Use the massage gun during the movement or even between sets of your exercises. Okay, and the third tip is to experiment with the different types of massage gun heads that come with your massage gun. Typically, most massage guns come with 4 to 5 different massage gun heads that can interchange very quickly, and you'll probably have a go-to attachment that you like the most, but just experiment with a few of the other attachments to see if you get a little bit more relief because of pinpointed pressure or because it allows for a lesser amount of pressure. For example, you can use the round head on a massage gun and it provides cross-friction massage. Let me show you. Let's say this is your leg. I know it's my hand, but let's say it's your leg, and you're using the massage gun directly on your leg. We're putting that force directly into the tissue. But you can move the massage gun to the side with the massage ball, and it will translate back and forth, providing what we say is a cross-friction massage. And you can do this along the leg, along the knee, along other sensitive areas like the patellar tendon or the anterior aspect of the front of your leg. And I think it's a great combination use of deep tissue massage and cross-friction massage, and to experiment with these types of patterns as you work along different muscle groups. And you can try this with movement or without movement to see if it feels better when you move your knee up and down while performing this type of massage, or if you're completely still. You can even apply an ice pack or heat directly over the knee after you've used your massage gun to see if that provides any additional pain relief, along with elevation to draw out some of that swelling or fluid that might have built up throughout the day. Hey, I'm all for using a massage gun like this to help provide relief for symptoms of knee pain, especially if you're able to combine this tool with other proper exercises that strengthen and provide overall stability for the knee. You should probably improve that strength and stability so that you can resolve the knee pain for good. We'll talk more about those key exercises to improve that knee stability in a video that'll play right after this, and you can find it up there in the corner, as well as the Bob and Brad massage gun review that I talked about earlier. You can find the link to these in the description below and get my full review on it as well. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, I would love it if you gave it a like. Don't hit it with your massage gun because it might damage the mouse. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video on how to improve your stability in your knee.